Gordon and I are currently in the process of finalizing our Wellness 120 program, which is one of our flagships here at KP Unity and Metamorphic Mind. Much of this program is based on the 5-element system and will include a wide range of aspects which, when smartly combined, will compound your health and wellness outcomes. We will be including things such as Feng Shui, Chinese astrology, the human design system, nutrition and diet of course, mental strength and resilience, breathing activities and body dynamics, and many more of the good things. Something else I wanted to quickly share with you is the Sensino balance concept, which you can see here. This is part of our evidence-based nutrition approach. The reason why we chose Sensino is because it is one of the global leaders and pioneers in test-based nutrition. The main aim with this one is to reduce the issue of chronic inflammation that eventually will result in having chronic diseases. My dad was a great study example on this and how we can test and track his health progress after experiencing a heart attack many years ago. He also has diabetes. As such, this protocol really supports his health. So what you can see here is the balance test. This will measure 11 of our essential fatty acids and gives us a really good indication of how balanced we truly are and how much we are at risk of developing future chronic diseases. It frankly tells us if we are deficient in marine omega-3s. We also have a vitamin D and a long sugar test, all of which give us a great picture of our current health at a cellular level. The vegan and the premium balance oils are 2 exceptional products among many others, and we use these to increase the level of marine omega-3s in our body and restore our health at a cellular level. Xenobiotic, that's our prebiotic, is so important for our gut health. So 2 scoops of these a day will really work with your microbiome and allows us to detox faster as well as feed our gut bacteria in a correct way, which is important to our immune system. So all these packages are on their way to people who really want to kickstart their health journey from the inside out. And this is only one of many little things that we can do to live in more health, wealth and harmony. Like and follow to stay updated on all our offers, programs and goodies that will be dropped at KP Unity over the next few months. And don't forget to check out our blog post on my website www.kp-unity.com, all about chronic inflammation, chronic disease, living low tox, weight loss, evidence-based nutrition, and baby and maternity health, and many other topics. I'm so looking forward to seeing you in the chat or in the next video.